Hello and welcome back. Congratulations on making it to day 2. In this session, we're going to cover a really important question. What is Salesforce and what is it used for? So what is Salesforce? Well, Salesforce is a customer relationship management system, or CRM as it's often referred to. It's a way that businesses can record their data, report on their data, collaborate and automate processes. To take it back to its more simple form, it's essentially a spreadsheet with a huge amount of features, benefits, and automations. So to expand on this idea of Salesforce as a spreadsheet, I want to show you something. As you can see, it has tabs, and each of those tabs consists of rows and columns of data. Now imagine that this spreadsheet is called Salesforce, and that the tabs are called leads, accounts, contacts, and opportunities. These tabs are containers for the data of each of those types of data, a bit like tables of data. In each of those tabs, we have records of our customers, so we have our data. So each row that you see is a record. We also have columns which contain the values of that record. So we can see for each row that we have a value for a particular column. The columns are fields such as names, email addresses, and telephone numbers, etc. So just to recap, the spreadsheet is our Salesforce org. The tabs are our objects, the rows are the records, and the columns are the fields. Now this is an incredibly simplified explanation of what Salesforce is, but it gives us a baseline to work from. So next, I want you to imagine a huge company, a company with tens of thousands of employees spread across countless countries with thousands of roles, and all these guys need to work from the same spreadsheet. Then, add in a couple of million customers who expect that your company knows everything about them, so every product they've bought, every customer service issue, even every telephone call and email that they've ever made with your company. This spreadsheet would be pretty much unusable, wouldn't it? That's why you need a CRM, a customer relationship management system. Somewhere which could store all your information, allowing all your employees to collaborate and communicate effectively, and to help your company manage your customers better so that they're provided with the best customer experience that they've ever received. And that's where Salesforce comes in, and specifically the Customer 360. The Customer 360 brings companies and customers together. It connects every department in a company, from marketing to sales to customer service. And it allows companies to create a connected customer experience, so it doesn't matter if the customer is speaking to sales, service, finance, or even logistics. Whoever it is that they're speaking to knows them, they know their history, and they know how best to serve them. Think of it this way. Salesforce gives you a 360-degree view of a customer. It creates a single source of truth that your company can rely on to get a complete view and understanding of a customer. Salesforce creates the Customer 360 through a range of products. So let's take a look at them so we can better understand how companies can make the most of them. So you can head to www.salesforce.com/products and we'll be able to see them. I'll provide a link, but again, you can just head to the Salesforce website and you'll be able to see the little tab for products anyway. Let's take a look at Sales Cloud and Service Cloud, as they are the most popular sales products that you will see. Sales Cloud is used by sales teams all over the world. It's about increasing efficiency and productivity. The focus is to sell faster and sell smarter. Sales Cloud has a huge range of features, from account and contact management, opportunity management, forecasting, and incredibly powerful reports and dashboards. These features can all be configured and used to help sales teams close more deals in less time. Next, we have Service Cloud. Where Sales Cloud is focused on getting more customers, Service Cloud is focused on keeping those customers happy. There are loads of really cool features that can help customer service teams, from case management to omnichannel routing to a knowledge-based solution. Service Cloud helps ensure that cases are dealt with and resolved quicker, which leads to happier customers. There are lots of other products such as Experience Cloud, which can be used to create a digital experience for customers, much like a mini website. Marketing Clouds for advertising and marketing teams, Commerce Cloud for e-commerce solutions, and Tableau for enhanced analytics. We even have Net Zero Cloud, which was designed to help combat climate change. All of these things have one thing in common. Well, they have two. One is that they're part of the Customer 360. Two is that they're all cloud-based solutions, meaning that companies who use Salesforce do not need any on-site equipment. They simply invest in Salesforce, implement the best solution either by themselves or with a Salesforce partner, and then they don't need to worry about anything else. Salesforce maintains the software, including free updates or releases, as Salesforce calls them, per year. So, before we finish this session off, I want to discuss one last key feature about Salesforce, something that really sets it apart from other solutions, and that's automation. Pretty much any process in Salesforce can be automated, meaning that it can save employees and companies huge amounts of time. This leads to happier staff as they're not carrying out the same tasks over and over again. It leads to happier managers as their employees are spending more time on activities that matter rather than admin or low value tasks. And it leads to happier company executives as their company can become more efficient, more productive and more profitable. There are a number of other really interesting things about Salesforce, such as the investment and development into AI and the App Exchange, which is a bit like Google Play Store or Apple App Store. But that's a conversation for another day. So before we finish off, let's wrap this up with a quick summary. Salesforce is a customer relationship management system, or CRM for short. It helps bring companies and customers together. The Customer 360 enables companies to have a complete picture of a customer, including previous purchases, customer service issues, and even correspondence. The Customer 360 is made up of a range of Salesforce products, including Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, and many other clouds. Salesforce is a cloud-based solution, and companies use Salesforce to provide the best customer experience. Now it's time for your homework assignment. I have 2 more trails for you to explore. The first one will explain in more depth about what Salesforce is and how it's used by companies. The second one will give you a more detailed view of Sales Cloud, which is the most popular Salesforce product, and it's the one which will form the basis for the majority of your study. Now, I hope you've enjoyed this session, and I look forward to seeing you again in the next session where we'll explore the various roles and opportunities of Salesforce careers. Until then, see you later.